Welcome to Paracord Pals and Heroes. Hello everybody, this is Courtney Holmes. These are some of the supplies that I'm going to be using to make a paracord golf bracelet. So check this out and we'll be back. Thank you. Hello everybody, this is Courtney Holmes. Welcome to Paracord Pals and Heroes this afternoon. Today I'm in the green. Yeah, no, I don't mean I'm back in the military or anything, and I'm definitely not hitting on the salad, though I need to. No, I mean I'm in the green, on the green. Starting off with a unique paracord golf bracelet. Here we go, guys. I'm trying to keep myself up to par. Get it? Excuse all the jokes here. But I'm started out. I've got this, and it's rigged on the speedy jig here. We're going to do our regular double wide Solomon. You know, you link up your cow hitch cores. I've got two, color of forest green, with one has a yellow additional core color, the other one has a white additional core color. This yellow is about as close as I could get to the Masters yellow, but theirs is kind of a unique, and it's probably a patented color, because you have hell trying to find out even the paint for it. So that's a way out there. So this is what I've got going. It's on 2 half-inch gold buckles. Got some Kelly green. I'm going to come all the way down the double wide Solomon. I'll meet you guys down here. You know how we do it. 2 cobra knots on each core, then twist the 2 in the middle. The one on the right pretty much captures the one on the left and starts the braiding. Do 2, the first one that you captured, okay? Do 2. Here, let me just go ahead and get it done while I'm talking. And do 2 to connect, then do your 2 on the left side, then start all over again, right? And I'll meet you guys on the bottom down here. I've got some stuff in the way, don't want to knock it out of the way. But that's how that comes. And then your 2 over here on this side. Get him, he doesn't want to come out. How is he locked on right there? What the hell is that? That's interesting. Did I go a different direction in the middle of the talk? Well, we'll see, won't we? Well, either way it go, meet you guys at the bottom down here when it's all finished, and then we'll discuss what we're going to put on them to enhance it into a real glamorous and elaborate golf bracelet. Paracord action. Stick that in your hole. Did I say that? Back in a minute. Alright, I'm back, and I finished my double wide. Come out perfect, looks pretty. Took care of everything at the bottom. The ones in the middle, crisscross, keeping the continuous of on the top side scheme, braiding. The one that's from this side in the middle, he goes, as you can see, down 3, 1, 2, 3, right here. One on this side, as you can see, down 3, 1, 2, 3, right? Or rather, 1, 2, 3. This on this side flipped over. That's him right here. Anything to keep it from being shown on the front side, which is kind of poor taste and quality of the way it's set. Should, I think, in my opinion anyway, be nice and carefree on the part that you see. They don't show you all the crap that's under the hood of your car. You know, you just assume that it's gonna work well, you know, but you don't know that somewhere in there it's a piece of shit under your car that breaks up anyway. I don't care what kind of car it is. When the odometer gets to so much and today's scheme of the computer system tells it it's time for him to go in and give up some money for the service. So that's how that works. So when you come and look at a bracelet like this, I want you to look at it and say, hey, that looks so perfect and pretty, you know, and not see any burns or scheme, you know, the negatives on the side of how the bracelet was made or the car was made. So here we are here, and I've got an idea of what to do with this. This is off our sports playlist and everything. So I'm not gonna too much put any eyes on this bracelet, but what I do have is some aftermarket stuff that I'm gonna put on. It's just not necessary that I show it to you until it's on the bracelet as far as putting it on, because you cannot order such things yourself, or you may not be have access to ordering certain things. But if you can find something that's golf related, put it on your bracelet. Long as it's real cool, sweet, bling it up or whatever, you know, and let that flow. All right, I'll be right back. Well, all right, what you think? Golf. I ordered all this online. Not the golf ball though. The bag with all its bling and everything is something. An actual brooch that I decided I'd use on the bracelet. The golf ball come to me in another way. I just figured on something smarter to use on the bracelet. Smart way to use it. All right, there you go. And I think it's quality enough to wear. Says just enough. I wouldn't have it on my shooting hand though, my swinging arm, you know. But it's pretty cool. Enough to wear to the club. Have your bracelet on while you're enjoying your drink and talking golf and holes and everything, stories with all your teammates or your rivals. But they're damn sure gonna look at you with this. Ah, where'd you buy that at? But you can find this online if you look for it. You can make your own bracelet. And the ball here, you can come up with something. This doesn't have to be a blinged out golf ball like this is, but I think the whole thing looks good. What you think? So give me some comments, and this is a real short one that I put together for you in the sports selection, our playlist here. So have at it. 4! Yeah, tell me about it. Not just 4, but make you 5. It's Courtney Holmes with Paracord Pals and Heroes. Thank you for hanging out here this afternoon with me and some dude. And yeah, really. And like and subscribe, everybody. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Thank you. the Golf Paracord Bracelet. I think I finally got the swing of things. Yeah, looks terrific. Make you one. Make you one. And this is my golf bracelet. Paracord on another scale. Paracord up to par. Yeah. Yep. All right. Yeah, I put that golf ball on the end of the club. It's something that I managed to come across and had a unique way of using it. So I hope you like this. Thank you. Golf. Hello, everybody. It's Courtney Holmes. Welcome to Paracord Pals and Heroes this afternoon. I appreciate your support, showing you plenty more bracelets in the future. Come on back, y'all. This old vet got a lot more to give. God bless. Have a nice day.